Okay, alright. Maybe you're fine, and it was me the whole time, and I just can't help but fight. You're alright. All the feelings inside, all the lost life catching up with me on my ride. Fuck all that fake.
Touchdown, SIQUIJOR! OMG, I'm so excited. Look at the water. It's so blue. Light blue. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. By the way guys, ticket to go here is for 350 pesos and you'll pay 15 pesos for the terminal fee. So there are two ways I think to get here. One is the fast craft boat and the other is road, which will take you 2 hours, I think. I'm not sure. So yeah, I took the ocean jet, which is the fast craft boat, and the travel time is only 30 minutes. So yeah, I just arrived here at the hostel, and I'm staying here in SIQUIJOR Cafe and Hostel, and I paid for 1,900 for 2 nights. I will be staying in a private room, and time check, it's 9:16 a.m. and there's no people around. The cafe is closed and there's no one to receive me, so I have to wait until 11 a.m. Good thing there's one lady who let me in their cafe and just let me wait here. And I don't know if there are also guests. I think I'm the only one who's here. So I rented a motorcycle worth 400 pesos per day. So I'll be staying here for 2 nights. I paid 800 pesos in total. Okay, I will take this opportunity to show you around. So this is their I don't know, villa, cottage, whatever. And this is their common bathroom or toilet. I'm not sure if it's bathroom or toilet. And this is their cafe. It's not yet open. It will open at 11 a.m. They are also offering a dormitory room. That's their, I think, their dormitory room. And more bathrooms over there, as you can see there. So nice and peaceful. Finally guys, meron dumating na receptionist sa hostel ko, and now I'm on the way to somewhere to get some lunch. So let's go. There's SIQUIJOR Island, so peaceful. So I'm here in Hawaii Resto and Cafe, and this is where I will eat my lunch. I ordered honey cured pork belly and Spanish latte. Okay, after eating lunch, I went directly here to the Cambugahay waterfalls. So mayroon siyang entrance maintenance fee na 20 pesos.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Hi. So may 135 steps going down. Pero yung height ng hagdanan mga 5 feet. Charis. Yes. Ang saya, ang konti ng tao.
best I ever had. You're the best I ever had. The best I ever had. You're the best I ever had. The best I ever had. The best I ever had. The best I ever had.
Oh my god, I'm ready to oh my god! I'm ready to have it! I'm ready! We are going now to the next swing. We'll see if we can, because Kuya said it's 5-meter high. I'm not sure though. Apply ko naman na yung 13 feet sa Siargao, but this time it's 5 meters, so maybe 18 feet or less. Not sure. Let's go.
Kaya mo yan. Yung kapit mo ma'am, ganito. Pag pingulit mo ma'am, ang ating dalawang paa. Tapos yung kapit mo. Pag mo, ang ating paa.
Ang taas mo na! Ngayon mo lang na-realize?
Ito yun. Ma'am, patala ka lang. Patala ka lang.
Oh my god! Tommy! Hindi ako makakabot. Wait for the vlog. For the vlog. For the views. Oh my god!
Girl, you give me feelings in the summertime. Something about the weather in July. But I'm about as fickle as the sands of time. So I don't wanna call you mine. There's a little ember in my heart that flickers. Nothing seems to cultivate the flame. I don't got a problem making conversation. Sorry, but that's where it's gotta stay. Don't wait for me. Don't wait for me. I wouldn't catch you if you fell. I can't even catch myself. Don't wait for me.
Akalain mo yun, kinayak siya. Hi guys, so I'm currently here in Paliton Beach waiting for the sun to set because I'll be watching it and it's really famous for sunset. Time check, it's 4:03 p.m. and I still have 1.5 hours before the sunset. It's so nice here, so calm. I love it. Look. By the way guys, the sand is so fine. See that? Sobrang pino.
You wake up in the morning, your thoughts are running wild. Breathe deep, relax your mind. Another bruising memory is knocking at the door. Say no, leave it behind. There's no gray in the sky, and no clouds are passing by.
Ang daming seaweeds. Shoot. Kasyokot kung ano man meron sa ilalim. Pero may mga nakikita kong plastic bottles, ganyan, tsaka babasagin na bottles. Which is scary kasi baka masugahan ka, and so forth and so on. Charot. Paranas naman ng tubig ng SIQUIJOR. Pwede floating muna tayo. Hi everyone, I am back again in my hostel, and before gumulong aking kwarto, I will show you how it looks like. So it is just a fan room, and hindi ako magreklamo kasi malamig. Tas ayan, ang spacious niya. Para lang siya nung sa Palawan, sa Balabang Palawan, but this is way bigger. And look. Tapos meron dong space. Ayan, may space. Welcome na welcome yung mga unwanted visitors. So, ayun lang naman. Ayan. Look. Linis pa siya.
Sunny days can make you feel